created this beautiful smart business card app, set up this entire marketing campaign to promote it, and this SaaS makes passive income from subscriptions, everything built by one AI agent. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how I created this entire business in less than 10 minutes. This is one of those videos packed with information you normally only find inside expensive startup courses, so don't skip anything. Let's get started. The business I'm going to create today is a smart business card platform. Instead of printing traditional business cards, users can create digital business cards and share them instantly through QR codes, links, NFC cards, and social media. Businesses pay a monthly subscription to unlock premium features. So we already have a SaaS business model. Now let's build it. Go to Runable.com and turn on plan mode and apps. Then I'm going to simply describe the application I want to develop. I don't need to write a complete or complicated prompt. Just a few simple sentences are enough. Since we are using plan mode, we don't need to worry about creating a detailed prompt. The AI agent will ask us questions to get a complete understanding of the idea. This makes it much easier to explain the complete idea to the AI agent without much effort. After a few rounds of questions, the AI agent gives us a complete development plan. If we want to change anything in the plan, we can simply tell the AI agent what we want to change. It will then give us an updated plan before starting the development. Also, the plan is editable, so we can make changes ourselves as needed. Since I'm satisfied with the plan, I'm going to approve it and start the development. This is the longest part of the process. It takes 30 minutes to get it done. After that, we have our Android and iOS applications along with the web application. We can simply open the preview of the web app right here. We can also publish the website with just one click. If you don't have a custom domain, you can use a subdomain and publish the website directly. I'm going to add a custom domain right here. The process is very simple. We just need to enter our domain and connect it. To connect the domain, we need to set up some DNS records. This platform automatically detects our DNS provider as hostinger. It is asking me to continue with that account so it can set up the DNS records automatically. But I'm going to choose the manual setup option. Now I need to copy these DNS records and add them manually to my domain provider. This is not complicated at all. It's a very simple process. I just need to copy these DNS records and add them to my domain provider. After adding the DNS records, we can see that our domain is connected right here. We may need to check again after a few minutes because DNS changes can take some time to update. Now, my custom domain is successfully connected, so I'm going to publish the website. Within a few seconds, our website is live on our custom domain. Our website is ready. By the way, we need to configure our Stripe payment gateway to get the payment from subscriptions. For that, you need to open the website preview and go to the dashboard tab here. You can see Payment tab. We can save our Stripe credentials right here. Now, let's check our mobile applications. We can try it right here, but I'm not going to take up your time by going through all the features of this application. We can publish both iOS and Android applications using the built-in publishing option. To publish an iOS application, you need to create an Apple developer account, which costs $99 per year. On the other hand, to publish an Android application, you need a Google Play developer account. It costs a one-time fee of $25. Once your developer accounts are ready, you can simply publish your applications right here. But before launching the final application, I asked the AI agent to make some specific UI changes to the application and website. I wanted to improve the overall look and add features like a light mode and dark mode toggle. I also requested some functional changes. For example, I wanted to add a free trial for the Pro plan and a super admin panel to manage the SaaS product. Since we have a built-in live preview, it is very convenient to make and test these updates. Okay, now we have both the Android and iOS applications along with the website ready. So let's move on to creating a marketing campaign. I'm simply going to ask the AI agent to create a marketing campaign to promote our product. Again, it starts by asking us a few questions about the marketing campaign. After a few minutes, it gives us a detailed marketing campaign plan. It also creates Facebook and Instagram posts in different sizes. We also get short videos that can be used for Instagram feeds and YouTube Shorts. There is also an option to connect our Facebook page using the built-in plugin. Connecting the Facebook page is very easy. Once the Facebook page is connected, the AI agent can create and publish update posts automatically. The content we generated earlier can now be posted without any manual work. And it's not just Facebook. We can connect to a ton of other social media platforms as well. This means our marketing can continue running even while we're sleeping. Now let's make things even more powerful. Runable has another feature called RunClaw. Think of it as your AI assistant, available 24/7. I'm going to connect RunClaw with Telegram. All we need to do is scan this QR code from our phone to connect RunClaw AI agent to our Telegram. Once connected, you can manage your business directly from your phone. You can ask for campaign reports, check marketing performance, manage customer communications, monitor email campaigns, and control parts of your SaaS business simply by sending messages. It's like hiring an assistant that never sleeps. Okay, now you know entire process. Start building your business using Runable. I will drop the Runable AI agent link and source file link of this project in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see me build more real businesses using AI agents, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe because I have some crazy AI business experiments coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.